would like to reveal this new tier with you guys. I was in tier 6,000, now I'm in 8,000. And the reason I'm doing this is to encourage you to work hard in your print on demand businesses. These new tiers is just a way of encouraging you to keep working hard, and is that's the reason why I keep showing you guys. So I'm just gonna click it. I was in 6,000, now I'm in 8,000, and I did this in the space of months. The reason why I got there so fast from 6,000 to 8,000 is because of um, the new year. The new year sales just went crazy. I had several uh, $100 sales days, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. That's the whole purpose for this video. So the first thing I want to show you, or the first thing is to do your research for print on demand, what design you want to create. The first place I go to, I do my research on flying research. You can actually do trademark search, research, design, upload, automation. They do everything there. So it's like you're all in one tool for print on demand. I highly encourage them. All the links to the tools I'm going to talk about are in the description below. So for trademark, I like them a lot because they do trademark for the whole world. You can see if a word is trademarked in the whole world. They also do research for KDP, not just for print on demand, they do it for Quick. Obviously, I know Nike is trademarked, so you see that this GB is the UK, this is US, Germany. So you can see they're showing you trademark for the whole world, so that because you upload designs to the whole world on Amazon merch, right? So you need to know if that design is trademarked in other marketplaces. This one is Espanol, which is Spanish, and there's another one that says WO. That it means the whole world. This example is not showing it, but if you see WO, that means it's the whole world. Okay, so that's for design research. Actually, you go here to bestsellers, search for bestsellers. You can do research for t-shirts, hoodies, pop sockets, phone cases, and KDP. KDP is for books, but for right now, I'm just going to focus on t-shirts since we're doing a print on demand video. So right now, these are the t-shirts that are trending, and you can change it to uh, you can do research in all marketplaces, or you can focus on a particular marketplace. And when I find a design that I want to make, the next thing I do is to design the t-shirt. Actually, I can also do designing. One website that I like to go for designing is yes, 100 day of school is trending right now, guys. I'm getting sales with it, so this is a very good niche to focus on right now. I'm just giving you a tip right there. So when I see a designer is trending like this, the next thing that I go is to do research for it. So one place that I like to go to is Vexels, and another place I like to go to is Creative Fabrica. So Vexels, they say is the number one design platform for merch sellers and creators. I've talked about Vexels a lot on this channel. You can do t-shirt design, you can do mockup generator, you can put your own design requests like this one. If you don't know how to design a shirt like this and you want a professional to do it for you, you can come here to Vexels and place a design request, and they're going to do it for you. So once my design is ready, if I don't want to request a design, I can also edit the designs that they have. You go to graphics, you go to PSDs, you can all edit this design, these PSD designs, all of them are editable. You see here it says editable text, print ready. So another place I like to go to for design is Creative Fabrica. I've also talked a lot about Creative Fabrica on this channel. I use it both for KDP as well as print on demand. And right now they're offering a 28 a deal for Valentine's Day. It's $4.99 per month, all yearly access. You're gonna pay. It was normally $3.48, but you're gonna pay $59. That's a huge discount, guys. Take advantage of this Valentine's Day offer. The link is in the description below. So the tool that I want to talk about most is this Creative CF Spark. Is a game changer in the print on demand business. So what is this? So it's a family of tools that you can use to create your own unique designs. This one here is the one that I use often. It's called CF Spark Art. Here it is opened right here. So I use it to create unique designs. Look at this, guys. Very beautiful designs. if I were to create this, I don't even think I'll ever create this on my own. So what you do is, let's take for example, let's say unicorn. Let's just type a unicorn. You're gonna see beautiful unicorns is gonna produce. So if you want to do it as an illustration, just click illustration. If you want to do it as kawaii, just click kawaii. So let's go with illustration first and see how it goes. So click on ignite. Oh, you have to log in. So let me just log in, and I'll be back in a bit. So I've logged in. I'm just gonna click on ignite. I said, oh sorry, illustration, forgot to click that. So click on illustration first before I click on uh, ignite here. So it's gonna produce a tool. So many people are using this. That's why you see this Q place 5. But if you want to speed up your creation, you need to have credits. I don't use credits. I just wait it out till you space out my design. So look at beautiful unicorns, guys. I would have never created this in my life. I'm not a graphic designer, so I use tools like this. So illustration produce this. If you want to go again, you just need to create, maybe let's do kawaii. You can also do hyper realistic. So kawaii chibi, let's do that. So I'm just showing you the power of tools like this you can use to create your own unique design, so that when you upload it, you're not going to get rejections from Made by Amazon or any other platform, because it has been created uniquely by Creative Fabrica. So that's the first tool that I wanted to talk about, is this Creative Spark. The second tool that I like to use here, look at them, right? It's very beautiful, guys. So the second tool that I want to talk about that I use is it's called Image Mix, guys. This is the newest of them. I just started playing with it yesterday, and it's pretty amazing what the kinds of things it can do. So you just need to upload an image, and it's going to spit out another image. It's very easy. Just go searching for an image you would like to uh, recreate your own unique version, and just put in an image there, and it's going to uh, give your own image. So I don't want to make this video long. If not, I would have shown you guys what I was experimenting. But we're gonna move ahead so I can get this video done with. Those are the two tools that I like to use with Creative Fabrica, the image make and this one. Very beautiful. So the next thing, after I've made my unique design, either with Vexels or made it on my own, the next thing that I do is to upload it. So I upload my designs using Flying Upload, also by Flying Research. So you come here, you click on this. This is Flying Upload, Design Management, Upload Automation. You click on it, and it's gonna, if this is your first time logging in, it's gonna give you some quick tutorials on how to do it. But I'm just gonna exit out of that and click here again. Actually, the yellow or orange is for Flying Upload. So come down here, you go to Flying Upload 2, and it's gonna installation if you haven't installed it yet. But I have it installed on my um, Mac OS, and you just click upload and it starts uploading, guys. It's that easy. The next tool that I like to use for uploading is Merge Informer. So come down here to single upload interface, and you can upload for using, if you have Mac you can download it, if you have um, Windows you can download it. So the keywords, how do I find my keywords to use? Very important, guys. If you don't use the right keywords, you will not show up, and if you don't show up, customers are not gonna purchase your shirt. So the keywords I use to generate, I also go to Flying Research. You see, guys, I circle a lot around Flying Research, guys. It's like the number one tool for everything. So I go to let's go to dashboard first. So I clicked on this. If you want to go to upload, you click on that. It says Flying Upload. If you want to go back, click on it again, and you're going to go to Flying Research. So you go to Flying Research, go down to this tool I like to use, a log tag generator. So you click on tag generator, You can look at the top ranking tags for a particular marketplace. I'm just going to use US for example, and let's say for example Valentine's Day. Let me see the keywords that are trending in. And by the way, this tag generator is just for print on demand, and I want to see the top tags that are trending in the US for Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to click write Valentine's Day and click generate. So it's going to pull out all the tags and it's going to tell you the occurrences, the number of times people have used it in their listing. So for example, this one right here, the first one is 70 occurrences. So you have these top tags. All I do is to copy it. So I'm going to come right here and click on, first of all, I'll click text view, look at it as a text so it's easy to copy this way. So I like to go for the long tail keywords because that's what SEO recommends. So what I do is I copy all of this and take it to my flying research. Let me just open flying research and show you guys what I do. Flying upload, what I do is I just come right here to the tags, I copy it, copy all of them, or I can just click on copy it, come here to flying upload and paste it right here. Then I start vetting it because all these keywords are not right. For example, some of them are trademark, so I go step by step. Like the first ones, I just go for the first like 20. I copy the first 20 and I start going to the verifying if they are trademark. So Valentine's Day, I know Valentine's Day is not trademark. Let me take for example one that is trademark. Let's check if Be My Valentine is trademark, guys. So I'll just open another page on flying research here to trademark search. That's what I'm going to be doing right now. So I'll just go to the first one, Be My Valentine. Let's check if it's trademark. So here 25 means it is clothing, 16 is for books. When I'm doing research, I just put in my mind so that I don't have to be clicking it. If you click it open, you'll see here clothing is 25. That means it has been filed. This Be My Valentine has been filed, so it is not registered. You can still use it, but if you're not comfortable using it, it's since 2020, guys. So this is 2023, 3 years. I don't think it's gonna be getting live because it's gonna get live. It was already been live maybe in 2021 or so, but look at this 2020. I'm still gonna use it. So Be My Valentine, I'm gonna use it. So that's what I do. I just copy a text here from the long tail keywords and check if it's trademark before I upload it, because I don't want to be getting dinged by Amazon. Oh, you rejected because of that. So I check all my tags first before I upload it on flying upload or using Merge Informer. So this is how Merge Informer looks like. Let me show you guys. So it's called single upload interface for Merge Informer's upload tool. And here you have all the services: Printful, Teespring, Redbubble, Spreadshot, Printify, Zazzle, Goodson, and TeePublic. So the reason why I'm using two upload tools is because as of now, Flying Research has, Flying Uploads tool it says the capture is currently not possible with Zazzle. So I love uploading to Zazzle, guys. Zazzle is one of the platforms that I make. After Merch by Amazon, Zazzle is next. So I make money with Zazzle too. And oh, that just reminds me. Zazzle sent me a message. So this message is from Zazzle. It was on January 9th. It says I've reached the bronze level. Let me just read it. It says, nice work. You've accrued over $1,000 in lifetime Zazzle earnings, and now you're a Zazzle Pro at the bronze level. Your hard work, creativity, and dedication is paying off. Whether you're starting out selling in your marketplace to make a little extra money or to pursue a full-fledged career as a Zazzle creator, we think you're doing a good job. So I'm not going to read these other ones. It's just like telling me congrats on getting more than $1,000 on Zazzle. I know Zazzle is one platform that people overlook. I know everybody's all about Mesh by Amazon, Mesh by Amazon. Yes, Mesh by Amazon gives you good money. Zazzle is another platform from Mesh by Amazon. My second platform that I like uploading to is Zazzle. And at the moment, Zazzle is not uploading with the capture. It says capture not currently possible with Flying Upload. That's the reason why I have this second upload tool, which is a single upload interface by Merch by Amazon. And I upload here. When you click on services, you see here Zazzle. I upload to Zazzle a lot from here. So those are the two tools I recommend at the moment. If other ones come up, I'm definitely going to make videos. Don't forget about the courses, guys. I have courses. Here on for Kindle Direct Publishing and Merch by Amazon. Links are found in the description below. Here is what you find in the course. If you want a direct place, if you want a one stop to teach you how to make money on Merch from Amazon, right here I have a course. And right, I think I have three students. Yeah, three on load. Three people have enrolled. And here's the content. You have applying for Merch from Amazon, niche research, how to design, free and paid tools, how to advertise. Yeah, advertising is very important, guys. I forgot to talk about that. So you see, here with the course, everything is streamlined step by step on how to do each thing. I like to talk fast so I can get my message across, and I forget to talk about other things. But here on the course is step by step. You watch it and you execute your plans. So guys, that's all I have for you. Just keep pushing, keep uploading, and advertising too. Advertising gets your design up there for people to see so they can purchase it. And when you purchase, just rinse and repeat all over and over again. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about freelance and KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.